Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to design a fantastic YouTube intro using Canva. Whether you're brand new to Canva or you're looking to level up your channel's presentation, by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a professional-looking intro that makes your videos stand out right from the very start. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Canva.com in your browser. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, signing up is totally free and only takes a minute or two. Once you're in, look for that big Create a Design button. It's usually up in the top right corner. Click it and this is where the magic starts. In the search bar that pops up, simply type YouTube. This will bring up a bunch of options, including YouTube intros, YouTube thumbnails, and more. For today, we're focusing on YouTube intros, so click on that option. Now comes the fun part, choosing your template. Canva offers loads of pre-made templates styled just for YouTube intros. These are designed to catch viewers' attention and make your brand pop. Take your time browsing through, think about your channel's personality. Is it energetic, calm and creative, educational? Find a template that matches your vibe because this frames that all-important first impression of your content. Once you've picked your template, click on it to open the editor. Now you get to customize everything. You can change the text, maybe add your channel name, slogan, or even a quick call to action. Swap out the default images or video clips for your own, or use Canva's massive library of free and premium visuals. Play around with fonts, colors, and layouts until everything feels uniquely you. Remember, you want your intro to be memorable and reflect the tone of your channel. As you're editing, don't forget you can add audio. Canva lets you drop in background music from their library or upload your own. Music is a subtle but powerful way to set the mood. For example, a high-energy beat can grab attention for a gaming channel, while something softer might fit a personal vlog or educational content. Take your time to preview different tracks and see what fits. You can also enhance your intro with effects. Try out some of the built-in animations, like fading in your text or sliding elements onto the screen. These little touches can make your intro feel polished and professional. And here's something really cool. If you want a quick AI-generated script or voiceover for your intro, give Canva's Magic Write feature a shot. Just tell it the message you want to get across, and it can help generate a natural-sounding narration. It's a great option if you're not sure what to say or want to save a bit of time. Once you're satisfied with how your intro looks and sounds, don't be afraid to make tweaks and watch the preview a few times. Go ahead and click the Share button at the top right. From here, choose the Download option. Make sure to select MP4 as the format since you'll want a video file to drop into your YouTube editing workflow. And that's really it. With just a few steps, you've created a stylish, customized YouTube intro right in Canva. I hope this walkthrough made things simple and clear. Remember, the best intros capture the spirit of your channel, so have fun with it and don't be afraid to get creative. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another topic you want me to cover next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, in-depth tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.